Yes, dear students, in this video I will take here geostationary satellite and polar satellite. In last video I explained the satellite, their orbital speed. I derive formula for their speed and also for their time period, and I derive the time period of satellite which is revolving around the earth, just around the earth at negligible height, and I gave you that it comes out nearly 36 or 35 minutes. Now, what is the meaning of geostationary? Actually, geo means earth, stationary at rest. Any satellite which appears at rest with respect to earth is called geostationary satellite. Any satellite which appears at rest with respect to earth is called geostationary satellite. Then how it is possible? You know, earth revolves around its axis and complete one revolution in 24 hours. So if we launch satellite in the equatorial plane of earth, so I can write here a satellite revolving around the earth in equatorial plane and completes one rotation, one revolution around the earth in 24 hours. Then 24 hours, a satellite revolving around the earth in equatorial plane and complete one revolution around the earth in 24 hours is called is called geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellite. Now, simply you can say any satellite which appears at rest with respect to Earth is called geostationary satellite. It is only possible if time period of satellite is 24 hours. So Earth complete one rotation. So from any point, any fixed point, the satellite will appear at rest with respect to Earth. We now keep on facing each other. There is use of this actually. Now if we use time period t equal to 2 pi under root re cube upon re plus h whole square. This one. Then we find h. If we put the value of if time period of satellite t equal to 2 pi under root re plus h whole cube upon gm. This is the time period, So we calculate then h come out to be nearly 36,000 kilometers. Very large height. Geostationary satellite is at height of nearly 30,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Therefore, it needs a powerful rocket to throw it into its orbit. Now, you might be thinking, what is the use of this? Actually, geosatellites are especially uh, used in telecommunication, radio communication. Students of class 11 do not understand how this communication take place. You will learn a chapter of wave. The wave which require medium for their propagation are called mechanical wave, elastic wave. And there is a kind of wave which do not require medium, they are called electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave, EM wave बोलते हैं. These waves consist of oscillating electric field, magnetic field. And our communication is via EM wave, electromagnetic wave. Actually, please listen me carefully and tell the people also. If you have what is wave? Problem यहाँ पे है. Wave होता क्या है? The variation in any physical quantity which transfer energy from one place to another is wave. But generally when I ask what is wave, कि something move like this, उनके दिमाग में होता कि ये होता है wave ये क्या है कि ऐसे चलती है wave this graphically. Now this represents only variation of values. Electromagnetic wave है. Electric field varies like this, E0 sin omega t. You learn, and same magnetic field. So these waves are used for communication. Radio communication or telecommunication take place in three methods. For small distance communication, we use wave which travel parallel to the ground, but that communication method work only up to certain 100 kilometer, 100, 150 kilometer like that, not more than that. And ये अर्थ सरफेस है यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर आपका जो वेव है वो दैट ट्रेवल पैरेलल टू सरफेस. और अगर एंटीना एक होता ना, अगर बिकॉज ऑफ टू कन्वर्ट लार्ज तो द वेव गोज इन दिस रीजन वी कैन सी, इसमें आने के लिए हमें एंटीना उठाना पड़ता है. तो इस बार दीज आर कॉल्ड ग्राउंड वेव. सेकंड वेव एक मेथड है स्पेस वेव कम्युनिकेशन, sky wave propagation. The ionosphere layer reflect back the electromagnetic wave, so the wave can go long distance. Actually अर्थ बहुत बड़ी है तो कर्वेचर से बना जाएगा. तो it is the atmosphere, so they get reflected back by ionosphere and can go long distance. But above certain frequency of electromagnetic waves are not reflected back by ionosphere. They pass through that. For television communication and like this radio communication, FM, जिसको आप FM बोलते हैं, FM radio wave, they also have frequency above 80 megahertz. So these frequencies are not reflected back. So we send these waves to satellite. Satellite reflects them back, and we receive. Because the height is large, so large part of the earth can receive the electromagnetic wave. अगर ये यहाँ पर अर्थ है और वो यहाँ पर है ऊंचाई पर, तो that can send long surface area of the earth. For this reason, actually, we have 3 geosatellites in one orbit, so that whole earth is covered. But you see the matches from Australia, England, Japan, Delhi, no? So that is through satellite communication. FM radio wave also take communication from. So this is the use of stationary satellite, geostationary satellite. Now what are polar orbits का बात की, polar satellite. Polar satellite is another class satellite which revolve around the earth at low height, around from this axis like this. These are called polar orbits. Polar satellites revolve around the earth near the North Pole and South Pole. Their orbit lie almost in the longitude of joining the North Pole and South Pole, and their height are from 500 to 900 kilometers. Now, what is the use of the satellite? You can read NCERT book or other book also. These satellites have used in telling about atmosphere, meteorological use and geological use, geological or meteorological. So what is the use that actually these satellites have a camera, and camera can take photo from the surface. ठीक है भाई? तो and by analyzing the way which we receive and reflect back, we can tell feature of Earth, geology, meteorology. We can tell about weather forecasting, and one more use is there. That is called यही है इसका मेट्रोलॉजी एंड जियोलॉजिकल यूज. तो हाउ डू दे फाइंड आवर अर्थ रोटेट्स एक्चुअली नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट टू ईस्ट घूमती है इन वन रोटेशन. द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ दी सैटेलाइट nearly 100 minutes. 100 minutes is the time period of polar satellites. So Earth rotates, so it can take a photograph of particular strip at altitude. It completes one motion about in 100 minutes, and that way in the complete day it can scan the whole surface of Earth. And by that we are telling about the feature of Earth. We analyze the sea area, whether where is the क्या बोलते हैं इसको, some extra material is lying there, or we tell whether it's greenery, where are stone, like that. So many things are there. So these are the polar satellite and geostationary satellite. Is that clear? तो geostationary satellite कौन होता है? The satellite which appear at rest with respect to Earth is called geostationary satellite. It is only possible if that complete one revolution in 24 hours. Okay, and that is used for communication, telephone communication, mainly television communication. Because they have high frequency of electromagnetic wave, and those waves are not reflected back by ionosphere. Actually, there was a chapter in class 12 about communication. I don't know, that has been deleted completely. That was very interesting chapter, and when I used to teach that chapter to students were very happy by knowing all such things. And polar satellites are there, which revolve around. Their orbit lie in the orbital North Pole, South Pole longitude along that, and their height is 500 to 900 kilometers only. They complete one duration nearly 100 minutes, so they can scan the whole Earth. Actually, total Earth cannot be scanned in one rotation. A strip width of nearly 10 kilometer or 20 kilometer can be scanned in one rotation. The other part can be rotated in other, because Earth rotates ना like this west to east. तो अभी यहाँ से ये कर दिया, फिर ये घूम का ये हो गया, फिर ये घूम का ये होगा. And this Earth rotation is used only. So this was all about satellite. Now there is one more term. Let me take in next video. लंबा हो जाएगा. Thank you.